Large companies will typically have a massive number of physical machines and virtual machines in their data centers. The Discovery Health and Management System, DHMS, helps companies discover and configure their nodes, services, and applications in an easier and more convenient way. It is a web-based application and a set of utilities that provides RESTful-based APIs to the clients for registering, discovering, and monitoring their nodes and services. It can be deployed on any physical machines, virtual machines, or containers that a company wants to register. Another upside is that the DHMS has a very minimal set of dependencies. It can be deployed as a Debian package, with RPM being available in the future. The DHMS comes with 5 main features. First is service discovery. Clients of the DHMS can provide nodes or services or external applications to be registered and discovered later. Using either DNS or HTTP, applications can easily find the services they depend upon. The next is health checking. DHMS clients can provide any number of health checks, either associated with a given service. For example, is the web server returning 200 OK? Or with the local node, is memory utilization below 90%? This information can be used by an operator to monitor cluster health, and is used by the service discovery components to route traffic away from unhealthy hosts. Third is the DNS interface. One of the primary query interfaces for DHMS is DNS. The DNS interface allows applications to make use of service discovery without any high-touch integration with DHMS. Next is the KV store. Applications can make use of DHMS's hierarchical key/value store for any number of purposes, including dynamic configuration, feature flagging, coordination, leader election, and more. The simple HTTP API makes it easy to use. DHMS supports multiple data centers configuration. This means users of the DHMS do not have to worry about building additional layers of abstraction to grow multiple regions. The Discovery Health Management System contains 6 key components. The DHMS application itself is a web-based server application that provides for the discovery and management of services and nodes, as well as monitoring the overall health status of the data center. This is not just limited to one data center, however, because the DHMS can be configured to check multiple centers at a time. The next component are back-end utilities. They are a set of tools and services that the DHMS server uses to communicate. One of the utilities it uses is Console. This is actually the third component. The third component is the user interface for Console that provides a graphical view of the nodes and services that are registered on the DHMS and provides an overall health status for the entire system. Next, we have data centers. The data center is a facility that centralizes an organization's IT operations and equipment. It houses the network's most critical systems. After the data center, we have external services. These are external entities which are not part of any client inside the system, but are used by the DHMS through a service definition. Lastly, a client is the agent that forwards all RPCs to a server. It can be either a physical or a virtual machine.